Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, everyone. It is 6:31 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on this third day of June 2021. Happy Thursday, and thank you for coming, watching. I don't know. Okay. Cardano, quick little update. So I talked yesterday, and in my article, I wrote about how, the lagging span is really kind of the key player here as far as telling us where we're going. We have moved higher on the daily, and we are presently above the candlesticks. And when I'm saying above the candles, not the wicks, but the body and the body of the candlestick, essentially, open and close. So the lagging span here is above, and it needs to stay above 183.7. And it looks like, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, it's got to stay in that same value area. But then when we fast forward to Monday, we need to see it push up more. It needs to move up towards the 193 to 194 value area to remain above the candles. Resistance here is still present. Again, I'm always bullish, but I still maintain that there is the threat to the downside here, just given the seasonality, the volume drop, and the present condition. So the RSI, the one thing that is really nice and bullish here is that, if we get today and tomorrow to, really have a clear close higher and we push the RSI above 55, that's good because we'll probably then visit the $2 mark, probably up to 205 to 208. And at that point, the RSI will be near 65. So these are the overbought levels in the RSI when it's in a bear market. On a corrective move, that's what I'm looking at right there, is the 55 to 65 acting as resistance. 55 still could act as resistance now. It's not out of the cards yet. There's about an hour and a half yet in the current trading day before the Thursday candle closes. But otherwise, if it does drop, still looking at the primary support zone to be between 84 and 94. We have a collection of fib retracements and extension levels that exist in there, and it's been tested a lot ever since March. We've had 84 to 94 has had a lot of supply and people stepping in to buy it up. So that's a good zone to look at for the long side of it. But at the same time, there's been a high volume node formed at 120 to 120. It's actually 118 to 125 or so. So there's a good chunk of participation in this zone here that will, more than likely act as our next support. I think just how expansionary everything looks still for the year, that this is the next major support zone. But at the same time, I just want to actually point out why. So Cardano, its corrective moves are often around or slightly in excess of 60%. And from the all-time high, our 84 to 94 zone is within that range. But the 20 to 25% level is also within a normal corrective move of the 45 to 50%. So, between the all-time high and, I don't know where I was going with that, 125 is also a very strong level, not just for Fibonacci reasons, not just for high-volume node reasons, but psychological reasons. 125 is that is an important number psychologically for traders. Otherwise, that does it for me, folks. Real quick update. Really no need to go any further. Watch for things to consolidate until Sunday, and then Monday is going to be the really key thing to look for. Monday is going to be the level to watch. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.